Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be unboxing a cam caddy, a blue cam caddy, and a Rode Video Micro. So, here we go. Really sorry about uploads not being so frequent anymore. I'm using I'm cutting slow myself so I can't figure out a different way to get away from myself. So I can really find that notch there. Here, see, there's the Rode Video Micro. If you can see that, Rode Video Micro. And then the cam caddy. There we go. Now let's open these up. The cushion. First, let's do the cam caddy. And so here's what it says: designed for all GoPro Hero cameras, works with iPhone and smartphone cameras. Fits most digital camcorders and DSLR cameras. Adjustable accessory shoe for mics, monitors, and monitors, and LED lights. Comfortable neoprene grip. Supports cameras up to 4.5 pounds. Breaks down for easy storage. Alright, here. See? Smartphone, GoPro, DSLR, and DSLR cage. Anyway, here. I have a video mic go in there. Let's see, is this thing? Nope. Well, I guess I'm going to have to use a knife again. It's a Scorpion Junior. Let me move my knife. Oh, jeez. There's some tape on the bottom. There's so many places that you can put the camera. It's kind of crazy. Well, I'm happy that it cannot come out of there. Alright, here, let's put this together. So you can see it just goes in like this, I think. So that's the cam caddy Scorpion Junior. Now, this is a smartphone holder, and this one actually has all the parts to it, unlike my other one, which is good. Here, now for the Video Micro by Rode. This also comes with a dead cat wind dampener. I don't remember what they're called. Dead cat wind cover. It's basically a big and fuzzy thingy. So here we go. Now we've opened it. This is the cable. See, there's the mic and the dead cat on the outside of it. Here we go. Let's pull it out. See, I was about to say on this side. Do not eat. Do not eat. Like I'm gonna. Okay, I don't know that I'm that mature yet. So if you look at this thing, it's really got some bulk to it. I'll compare it to my Swiss Army knife. This is a normally sized Swiss Army knife. It's close to being as tall as it. Anyway, then here is the cord. Here's the, see, now you can see the cord better. And here is the bracket for it. Now let's try them out with this cold shoe to here. because, jeez. It's going to be quite a pain putting on anything. So here's the dead cat. It's pretty fluffy. Definitely descriptive. I feel like this is gonna like fall off. It's not super secure. So then I'm going to be using a smartphone for filming some things because I do not have an audio jack on my normal camera. First thing that I thought of when I saw this bracket was, oh my god, that looks flimsy and cheap, but really is quite flexible. Ugh. However, it could be a pain in the butt. Oh my gosh, this cold shoe is like a pain in the butt. It's hot shoe, cold shoe. It's just it's called the shoe attachment. I'm just gonna call it that. And I'm gonna call it cold shoe or hot shoe because I don't even know it. It seems like it's like falling down. I don't like that. Look at it. It's like it's falling down. Maybe I have the, oh damn, I just pulled some of the fur out of the dead cat. Well, that's where it's supposed to be. Maybe it's like... Look at that. It's like, it feels like it's gonna fall off. I think I have to like do this first. Really hope that I don't flippin' cap this thing and make it fly out. There's a slot for the dead cat mic to go, the mic cover to go, and there's a slot, there's another slot for the video micro to sit. There you go. Now, I don't exactly love how it like bounces like this, but I guess it was meant to. Dang it. See, how hard can it be? Anyway, so this is what it's going to kind of look like, and then I'm going to have the phone all the way up here. Let's fully assemble it. Here, let's put the... This is the GoPro. No clue what this is here. I think it might be a nut for the GoPro mount or something. I do actually have a GoPro, but it does not have a microphone port on it, and I don't want to buy an adapter. Just so I can use a microphone with my GoPro. Anyway, it's a Hero 3 White Edition, so it doesn't, the quality isn't even that good. So why would I even bother? Here, this is what it looks like. Dang it, I have the thing backwards for the phone. You could also mount this on a tripod, so you could have your microphone too. I don't want to strip this damn thing before I even get to using it. Well, this is what it looks like. Now all I need to do is grab my Samsung phone and then put it in there, and then I'd have a microphone with it, and then I'd have this cool thing. So, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.